Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about MedDrop, a community outreach operation within the organization Wisconsin Society of Pharmacy Students at the UW-Madison School of Pharmacy. MedDrop teams up with Safe Communities, a local nonprofit organization that builds partnerships with people and organizations to help save lives, prevent injuries, and make our community a safer place to live. By teaming up with Safe Communities, MedDrop is dedicated to educating and providing services to the community on safe medication storage, disposal, and poison control. Our names are Christelle
and Chelsea, and we are the current MedDrop co-chairs who will be providing you information about safe medication storage and disposal today. So you may ask, what exactly is MedDrop? MedDrop offers an environmentally friendly method of disposing unused, unwanted, and/or expired medications. We will discuss these methods in later slides. MedDrop provides these services in an effort to prevent accidental ingestions, poisonings, drug diversion, which is the transfer of any prescribed controlled substance from the individual for whom it was prescribed to another person for any use, and it prevents pollution to local water supplies and the environment. Students that volunteer with MedDrop collaborate and work alongside local police officers, fire departments, and the Dane County Drug Task Force in order to help keep our local community safe. Volunteers educate and inform the community about proper medication storage and disposal is why it is so important, and promote the use of MedDrop collection boxes in their community.
So what is a MedDrop box? A MedDrop box is a safe, secure way to dispose of unwanted medications. Medicines that are collected at MedDrop locations are incinerated or burned and disposed of in the most environmentally safe way available. Disposing of the medicines reduces the amount of medicine that could be accidentally consumed by children or pets, be scavenged from the trash and sold illegally, or pollute local water supplies or the environment. Now we'll talk about how you use a MedDrop box. To dispose of medications, bring your medication and a Ziploc or other resealable bag to the location. Keep the medicines in their original containers until you are there. Empty the contents into the bag at the station and dispose of it into the box. Cross off all personal information on the bottles and containers. Leave liquids, gels, or creams in their original containers and place them into the Ziploc or storage bag. You can then place the sealed bag or bags into the MedDrop box and be on your way.
Next, we are going to talk about what you can and cannot bring to a drop-off location. Things that you can bring include prescription or over-the-counter medicine, including pills, liquids, creams, powders, and patches. Other acceptable medication products you can bring are medications for pets, vitamins, medication samples, nebulizer solutions, or inhalers. One thing that you should not bring to a MedDrop box is illegal drugs. Illegal drugs can be brought to a police station and given to authorities with no questions asked. Other products you should not bring to a MedDrop box are IV bags, oxygen tanks, nebulizers machines, thermometers, or sharps, EpiPens, or anything with a needle. A list of sharps sites can be found on the Safe Communities website. Currently, there are 19 MedDrop locations in the Dane County region. A list of these locations can be found on the Safe Communities website. A link to their website can be found in a later slide.
By disposing of unused or unwanted medicines as soon as possible, it reduces the risk of others taking the medication accidentally or misusing the medication intentionally. But what if you cannot make it to a MedDrop location? The best and most environmentally friendly way to dispose of medicine is through a MedDrop box. But if you cannot get to one, some medications can be disposed of safely in the trash. To dispose of medications in the trash, first, remove or mark over any personal identification labels. Then you can dispose of medicines in the trash by dissolving them in a small amount of water, grinding them up and mixing them with coffee grounds or kitty litter, or hiding them in a second bag or small container. Once you have done these steps, you can safely throw the medicine away in the trash. There is also a product called Dispose RX that we will discuss on a later slide that also allows you to dispose of your medications in the trash.
The FDA, or Food and Drug Administration, is an organization that protects public health by ensuring the safety and security of food supplies, medicines, and medical devices, cosmetics, and other products. They recommend that some medicines be flushed down the toilet instead of thrown into the trash. However, there are very specific medications that you can do this with. A link to the FDA's website with the list of flushable products is listed below. As mentioned before, another method that can be used to dispose of medications in the trash is called Dispose RX. This is a convenient and effective at-home product that comes in a powder form. To use it, you open the packet of powder into the medication bottle and add warm water. Once shaken, the medication in the bottle turns into a biodegradable gel that can safely be thrown into the trash. For more information on how to use this product, you can visit their website listed here.
Now on to safe storage of your medications in your house. You want to keep the medicine in a place that is out of reach and hidden so others, such as guests or even pets, cannot find or take it. You should also keep any and all labels on your medicine because they are important to know how to properly store and use them, and when the medicine expires. It is best to keep your medicine in a cool, dry place, and some medicine needs to be stored in the fridge, but it will say so on the label. You should not store your medications in a bright place, such as in direct sunlight or in the bathroom, where it can get hot and humid. Direct sunlight, heat, and humidity are all bad for your medicines and can potentially make them ineffective or harmful to take. For more information, please follow these links to Safe Community's website or MedDrop's website to learn more about how to keep your community safe.
Thank you all for watching. We hope that you learned how to safely dispose of and store your medications. To test your knowledge, try to answer the follow-up questions about this presentation and play a fun Kahoot game with fast facts about safe disposal and storage of medications.
Thanks again. MedDrop appreciates you for helping to keep the community safe. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our emails are listed on this slide.